have an unboxing. Broke my phone. We got a little wet. We have a little bakery shop. I found my new drink obsession. It's the week before my birthday. This week is all things prep. Every year really does feel like you're stepping into a new era, and 28 feels so close to 30, so I'm even more so like, this is a new me. I'm like mature. I'm ready for summer to be over. It's just hot. I'm in my late 20s. I did finalize birthday outfits. Danielle helped me pick out some outfits, so I'll show you guys later. Like, that has me ready for my birthday because I'm like, I know. We did measurements and everything. Let the birthday countdown begin. Here's to 28. I'm about to go to the gym. This is the fit. Top is from Shein, shorts are from Shein. I was honestly having a little breakdown earlier. I was just feeling so overwhelmed and anxious. Didn't even know why, which made it even worse. I just feel like I keep having this feeling of like, I'm not doing things right, and I don't know, it's overwhelming me. We're about to go into the gym. We sat in the car talking for like a minute, but I don't feel like working out. Danielle forgot the water in the car, so we have to go back into the abyss. Look at the moon. It's freezing in here. Freezing. Like, I got the leg shake. I decided last minute that I'm going to do my twist out because I don't like doing it during the daytime, like when I wake up. I feel like it takes too much time. I made this flax gel and I left it in the fridge. I'm so glad I did because I didn't know when I was going to twist my hair out. I just knew I was going to do it before my birthday. This will probably be my birthday hairstyle. Not the twist out. Not the twist, but the twist out. The hair is done. Shout out to our helper. And rising. We just got groceries in the mail. I just woke up out of my sleep. My stomach kind of hurts, but these are groceries for the week. Danielle always orders our groceries, so I'm always surprised. Not like surprised, but like it's a surprise when I see what we have. So let's see what we got this week. Made good bars. These are actually really good. We've had a couple of their flavors, but the cookie crumble is the best one. Blueberry Pop-Tarts, no frosting. They're vegan if they don't want the frosting on them. Coconut shavings, some unsweetened applesauce. This is actually like an egg replacer, I believe. Coconut milk, sandwich pickles. I don't have a favorite pickle brand. I just like the, not the kosher ones, I think. Not the sweet ones. I like the salty, vinegary ones. Cucumber and some carrots. Some powdered sugar. Love this protein almond milk. It tastes so good. And then this also tastes like regular milk to me. If you want a plant milk that tastes regular, get this one. We get like 4 of these every week. Vegan cream cheese and some butter, some tomatoes, and some tofu. A weekly, week after week staple. It's the groceries for the week. We're having a little date day and we just finished some clay projects. Look at what we made. We have a little bakery shop and we made sushi rolls. I made the sushi roll, Bae made the carrot cake, and she made this cookies and cream one, and then I made this and this, and she made that.
This is so cute. I love it.
Just started pouring down raining, but we're about to go run to Aldi and grab some stuff for dinner. And we need more of our probiotic drink also. I can't wait to have a patio in the next place so that we can spend our rainy days like out on the patio with a book and a cozy blanket. Oh my goodness. I'm ready for that. First then, I'm going to use my Fleur Vanilla Skin. I think I really would get more scents of these. I want to try more, and I want to try the Dossier brand perfumes, but they're so different. One's perfume, these are like body mist. The jacket is from Ross. These pants are from Shein, and we're gonna wear my Kate Spade, I think, slip-on sandals, because if they get wet, they're really easy to just dry off rather than other stuff. We got a little wet. Alright, we made it in the store. They close in 15 minutes, so we gotta get everything. Chips, probiotic coconut water. Manifesting, they put vegan mochi. Freeze-dried popsicles. I knew it was gonna be light when I picked it up, but it literally feels like an empty box. This is inspiration for my new room. Both of these are dairy-free. Dang, that's hard. I don't know.
I guess we'll have to get cold water. We can try both if you want. What you want to do?
I don't know.
I think I definitely want to try the strawberry.
Okay, then let's just do the
You
strawberry.
sure you want to try the vanilla?
Yeah.
You want to get both or you want to just pick one? You just have to make sure you go drink it.
That's what I'm saying, because we've never had it, so I'm like, I don't want to get both and not like it. I have found my new drink obsession. It is so good. The strawberry matcha tea kit is so yummy. It tasted, I don't know how I expect it to taste. I'm just like sometimes afraid of strawberry flavored drinks because I don't know. I didn't grow up liking strawberry milk as a kid. I was not a fan. I didn't really drink milk much, so it still kind of reminds me of that. The only ingredients in this is sugar, matcha, and strawberry flavor. I definitely need to get me a little matcha whisk set. I really appreciate how this does not, like, the powder doesn't clump up. Danielle said she wanted a good bit, so we gonna get it right. So yummy, so yummy, so yummy. The color is super pretty and green. 12 out of 10. I wonder how it would taste with coconut water. Like maybe half oat milk, half coconut water. I don't know. Maybe if it was coconut milk. All of the milk went to making those matcha drinks. I need to get more glassware. This would be so cute in a glass cup like this, but for now we'll put it in here because it doesn't call for a lot of milk, so it'll be a cute little aesthetic moment. The secret trick to any cold bev is to put it in the freezer for a little bit to make it crispy cold and then drink it. It always tastes 12 times better when you do that. I totally forgot what I was just about to say. I am about to eat this unfrosted Pop-Tart while I get ready to do my finishing touches before bed. I'm trying to get back on a routine of getting to bed at a good time and not dilly-dallying. I remember what I was going to tell you guys. I broke my phone. Came in here earlier to go live on TikTok and I turned on all my stuff. I was about to get my music ready. I looked at my phone. I was like, first thing I thought was like, who came in my room and broke my phone and like put it back? I was just so confused. And then I was on my live and I thought about it. The place that I have my phone sitting at was like under a book on my vanity. And I think what happened is I set my water on top of my phone unknowingly. And this is 40 ounces of water, so it's really heavy. And it probably was the result of that. It still plays music, so I mean, there's a plus, but now I feel like I'm down a phone because it was broken. I don't know whether to get the screen fixed or not, also because it is such an older phone. I don't really think it's worth it. I have to show you guys the outfits that Danielle and I finalized for my birthday. One of them said that it was delayed shipping, but I think it's still going to be here on time. We'll see. I'm not signed in on this phone. We'll see if I'm signed in on the computer. Actually, what I'm going to do is go ahead and insert the pictures on the screen. I put the screenshots here. I love knowing that I'm how do I say that? Preserving my hairstyles, like whatever it is, whether it's my afro or my twist out, like having it locked away in my bonnet. I can't believe I'm about to be 28. What do you mean? I lost!
Duh!
It's busting. I have an unboxing. I'm so happy. Okay, so I don't know what all came in today, but all of it is in my showcase. These shorts, I was going for like a crochet, obviously, originally. Found some on Fashion Nova, but they didn't have any extra small. And I was like, no. And then Danielle found these on Amazon. And I was like, yes. They're stretchy. I was concerned because I got an extra small and I was checking the sizes of everything that they weren't going to be like stretchy. And I love the way they fit because I already tried them on. We'll be getting more colors of these because I had like 12 other colors too. Oh, this is the 2-piece. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm going to look cute on my birthday. This is a halter top. And it came with a matching pair of shorts. How cute is this? Material is nice. It's not itchy, period. It's giving comfy cozy. I have a yellow top that looks just like this. So when Danielle found this, it was like we had to get it. It's our favorite top on me. And it's one of my favorite tops too. I'm trying to find more like cutesy statement tops. Everything else in here was random things that got added on with the Amazon order. This is a controller that I got for Danielle for gaming. I got a re-up on my sunscreen and some adapalene gel that I'm trying for the first time, but I've been doing some research on it and decided to finally give it a try, so I'll keep you guys updated on that. Cleaning sponges, and this is a paper cutter. I think I still have a couple of items coming in. I decided that I'm gonna take my curls out because the weather's just so nice. I leave my hair in my twists because it's hot and humid, and it's just the perfect preservation hairstyle that's also really cute. There's nothing that compares to having my fro out. From now until winter, I'm going to prioritize my hair care routine so that I can maybe start doing like silk presses. It'll give me a chance to see like all the length that I've grown throughout the year. Oh yeah, I totally thought this was gonna be my birthday hair, but I was not thinking about the days. I am gonna retwist my hair, or Danielle might actually retwist my hair before my birthday. Probably Saturday or Sunday. Focusing on my water, doing my workouts, no questions asked. This is the hair. I'm loving it, period. I'm so happy that I decided to take it out. I was watching some anime and I love this little show I've been watching called Fruits Basket. It's so cute and cozy. And leaning into how I've been feeling, that's what I have been drawn to the most. Reading, doing the things that make me feel good, that bring me back to that like nostalgic comfort feeling. It is literally hours later. I love this fit, but I need to get a darker brown tube top. Oh yeah, we are also getting rid of this couch tonight, so this will be your last time seeing this couch in this room, or I guess ever. I haven't talked much about the moving journey, but we are moving soon. We don't know when. We're honestly just going with finding the right place, so when it falls into our lap, we're out of here. We are getting rid of 90% of the things that we have, like all of our furniture we're getting rid of because it was already furniture we've had for years, or we already got secondhand, so we don't feel bad about getting rid of it and just starting fresh. It also makes me super excited to decorate my new room and new space, and even the moving process feels 12 times less stressful because I know the only thing I really have to pack are my clothes. I'm not even keeping my vanity. Really small, and I want something bigger. I've got a vision. I need to create a Pinterest board for real, because then I can like show you guys what's going on up here. I actually want to do some reading tonight, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these with you guys. I'm excited to try the adapalene I got on TikTok, and I was like learning about retinol and all the different forms, and I was not expecting it to look like this. I think that I should be using adapalene for my skin, but basically this is like helping with the fine lines, giving you that. Wait, I think, what does it help with? I'll put it on the screen because I don't want to be wrong, actually. I know it helps with your acne, and then I believe it helps with fine lines and other things too. And then my hyaluronic acid daily sun gel in 30 by, I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Istri? This stuff is nice. I like how I don't have to use a moisturizer with this because of the hyaluronic acid. It gives me the perfect glow. So all I use is toner, vitamin C, and this. It is so crazy to think about how at the beginning of this year, I started my skincare journey of like getting my acne under control, my dark spots, mainly those two, because I had so much acne, I was having dark spots so much, and I'm like satisfied with how I look right now. Like I still have very much dark spots to get rid of, but they have lightened significantly. My acne has minimized so much. Oh my gosh, I'm like so surprised. Basically, I've cut out all of my actives. Like I barely use azelaic acid at night. Only sometimes if I notice like I am getting some cystic acne, I'll use it just to kind of like speed up the process of recovery. But my skin's been doing amazing. My biggest tip to anybody improving their skin, whether you have acne prone skin, no matter what you're trying to do, obviously this is just my personal like opinion, start with your barrier. Don't go into getting all the acids that are going to help your acne and do all of the things, because the thing about the acids is they're going to purge your skin. So starting with a good skincare routine, a simple face wash, a simple everything. And I think that's what's helped me a lot with my routine. That's just what helped me, maybe to help you too. I forgot that today, as in Friday, because it's 3 a.m., we're going on a run. So when I wake up, it's run o'clock again. I am going to end this vlog here. I think I'm gonna get some reading done. I might go live, but we found the outfit for my birthday. The plans are going to be spontaneous. We're gonna go with the flow. I will see you guys on my birthday week. Next vlog will be my 28th birthday vlog. What the actual heck? I'm about to be 28 years old.